Okay, group, this is our challenge extra practice. It says, use Desmos to help you find the information below. The counselor at Fairview High School suspects that students are signed up for too many extracurricular activities and thinks it's actually negatively affecting their academic performance. She compiled the information below to find out. So let's see. She said the extracurricular activities is X. Whoops. And the GPA is Y. So it says type the data into Desmos and remember to make a table by hitting the plus sign in the left corner and then typing in your equations. Let me pull up Desmos for us here. Okay. So I'm going to press my plus button. I'm going to add a table. Put in those X values. Okay, always double check your data. Okay, looks good to go. We're going to put in our linear regression equation here. Oops. Okay, and that gives us our y-intercept and our slope. We're going to round to 2 decimal places here. Okay, so there is our equation. It says interpret the slope in context. Students' GPA. Okay, here we always want to do a fraction so that we can pick out our X and our Y. So here we are decreasing because it's a negative slope by 0.17 points for every one extracurricular activity that a student is involved in. So this is proving that these scores are going down the more that they are involved. Part C says interpret the y-intercept. So again, our y-intercept always has an X value of 0. So this means that if a student who does 0 extracurricular activities will have a GPA of 3.59. If we look back to our Desmos here, R is negative 0.9847. So if we look at our data, that's pretty darn good. That's why it's so close to -1. So this is very, very strong. It's a very good fit for our data. And lastly, this means that there tends to be a strong, weak, or moderate. This definitely is strong, right? Because it is really close to -1. Definitely negative because we do have a negative R value. A relationship between their curricular activities and the student's GPA.